Service dogs, service dogs, most noble of man's best friend. Some provide comfort to the old and ill. Some help the handicapped get over the hill. Some give the seeing eye to the blind. Some warn the deaf of dangers from behind. Service dogs, service dogs, service dogs, service dogs, guide, comfort, and defend. Service dogs, most noble of man's best friend. Some lend to life a special quality, provide all kinds of useful therapy, relax the spastic muscle, sense and off heartbeat, benefit your body from the head to feet. Diagnose illness and your life will save. Some fire or police dogs that are so very brave. Some fight with the soldier in the war's attack, then support the veteran when he gets back. Service dogs, guide, comfort, and defend. Service dogs, most noble of man's best friend.